बिल्ली ने देख लिया. You can do better. You're an artist.
काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की दुम पे जो ले गए. थैंक यू बेबी.
一不小心，哗啦啦啦啦啦，摔了一身泥。
Hola la 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 la. What does that mean?
只小毛驴 I have a little donkey.
I have a little donkey.
Yeah.
Hola la 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 la.
No. That's basically
Just sound.
the sound.
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
Or when I ride the donkey, and then I fall down, and then I got dirt on me.
So it all can be explained by hola la 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 la.
I was creating the context for you. 我有一只小毛驴，我从来也不骑。有一天我清早起床，带它去赶集。我手里拿着小皮鞭，我心里真得意。一不小心，哗啦啦啦啦啦，摔了一身泥。
So basically, I was going on a donkey and then I fell in the mud and I fell. Hola la 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 la.
You can do better. You're an artist.
Okay. I was riding a donkey and I fell in the mud. I got dirty. Hola la 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 la. Ningo ningo yes. She likes my version as well. You want a Hindi version in the same tone?
No.
गधे पे बैठ के जा रही थी मैं गिर गई मिट्टी में गिर के गंदी हो गई होला ला 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 ला. That's the Hindi version for you, baby.
What kind of children's song do you have?
We also have
Sing something.
a lot of them.
It's always me singing her.
How do you know? I am always singing to her. My mother is also singing to her as well.
Sing.
लल्ला लल्ला लोरी दूध की कटोरी कटोरी में पताशा मुन्ना करे तमाशा. तितली उड़ी पसंद चढ़ी सीट ना मिली रोने लगी.
Is that a song?
Yes.
Sing again.
Nah, that's fine.
What, do you feel embarrassed?
No, why would I?
Then why don't you sing again?
I'm singing different one. I'm thinking of a
Okay.
लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 दुम उठा के दौड़ा. घोड़ा था घमंडी पहुंचा सब्जी मंडी बर्फ पड़ी थी घोड़े को लग गई ठंडी. टकबक हाँ टकबक. That's the sound of a horse. Like your donkey makes hola la 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 la, my horse makes टकबक. हाँ टकबक. घोड़ा था घमंडी पहुंचा सब्जी मंडी बर्फ पड़ी थी घोड़े को लग गई ठंडी.
Both of us think it's funny.
And then नानी तेरी मोरनी को मोर ले गए बाकी जो बच्चा था काले चोर ले गए. Thank you, baby. नानी तेरी मोरनी को मोर ले गए बाकी जो बच्चा था काले चोर ले गए. अच्छी नानी प्यारी नानी रूसा रूसी छोड़ दे जल्दी से एक पैसा दे दे तू कंजूसी छोड़ दे. नानी तेरी मोरनी को मोर ले गए बाकी जो बच्चा था काले चोर ले गए. खाते पीते मोटे होते चोर बैठे रेल में चोरों वाला डब्बा कट के पहुंचा सीधा जेल में. टंग 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 टंग. खाते पीते मोटे होते चोर बैठे रेल में चोरों वाला डब्बा कट के पहुंचा सीधा जेल में. नानी तेरी मोरनी को मोर ले गए बाकी जो बच्चा था काले चोर ले गए, उन चोरों की खूब खबर ली मोटे थानेदार ने, मोरों को भी खूब नचाया जंगल के सरदार ने. हाँ.
She likes this one best.
It depends. The way I sing, I can sing it really nicely or really cringy and weird way. So yeah. I use this for her sleeping, by the way. That's why she's yawning. Every time I put her to sleep, I either sing this one or I sing that Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
Yeah, by the way, our digital piano is arriving on the 6th of July.
I'm just thinking we don't have space. Now you will be keeping an 84 keys or 88 keys. 88 keys keyboard somewhere in this house.
There, by the monitor.
You are cluttering up this house, not taking care of the mess that you create. You know how difficult it is to take care of the house like this. Now she has nothing to say. Look at her face. Look at her face.
You know how hard it is to take care of your meals?
My meals?
Yes.
Where does my meal come in this situation?
My point is, everybody has something that she or he doesn't want to do or not good at.
So why don't you let me do it? I was ready to take care of that wardrobe, the mess that you have created in your wardrobe.
This is the first time you offered your help.
I have always been offering it. You just say, no, don't touch it, don't touch it. That's my wardrobe, don't touch it.
Okay, you can touch it.
So that's fine?
Yeah.
But promise me one thing.
Yeah, make it as however you make it is.
Exactly. I am not saying anything. I will take care of your wardrobe. I'll completely take care of the mess you have created in the room. But after that, any cloth you take out from there, you make sure you keep exactly.
That's hard to do because when she was born, we have that diaper blocking that whole closet.
Is it right now all right?
What?
I'm saying if I clear it right now, make it fine.
Yeah, I was telling you that why it's so hard. The things has been accumulated since she was born. It's not blocking your wardrobe, it's blocking mine.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying if I
cannot even open it while we are using that diaper table. I cannot even.
Now it's fine. There is no diaper table for so many months. All I'm saying is I'll fix it. But after that, will you take care to keep everything back where it belongs?
Yeah, what are you doing with her lips? Huh?
Okay, let's see then. Guys, I will clean up the mess she has created in the room and let's see.
Oh yeah, Baba, Mama, cat and bat.
She is trying to look for it. She just dropped it.
She can pick it up. It's very easy for her now.
She
can play it for 10 minutes. Oh, give to Mama. Oh.
क्या कर रहा है मेरा बच्चा? पापा को भी दिखा दो. पापा को भी दिखा दो बेटा. क्या कर रहे हो आप? आ जाओ इधर आओ. Is she biting you?
Yeah, your saliva. What? Where is it? Where is it?
See, there. There. Come here, see. Now I know how to bring her towards me. What are you both mother and daughter opening? Huh? What have you got now in this house?
Her milk.
Oh, she got her milk. Baby, how much milk are you drinking? Huh?
Daddy, stop looking over my milk. Stop, okay? I can drink how much I want.
काट डालोगी बोलो दो चूहे थे करो दो चूहे थे मोटे मोटे थे दौड़ रहे थे दिल देखो 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 कैसे दौड़ रहे थे जैसे आप दौड़ रहे हो बिल्ली ने देख लिया बिल्ली बोली म्याऊ म्याऊ क्या मैं भी तुम्हारे साथ आऊं नहीं मौसी नहीं हमें मार डालोगी गला काट डालोगी
आ जाओ ले आ गया तेरे पास आ गया अब क्या करेगी कैमरा देखेगी ये तो ओ सो जा सो जा सो जा Oh my I love you. I love you, baby girl. I love you. I love you. I love you.
फिर खड़ा हो जा खड़ा हो जा खड़ा हो जा पहले खड़ा हो दिखाते बहुत देर पहले खड़ी नहीं दिख रही
बिना सारे के
हैं नो मैंने अपने आप पकड़ के मेरी चीज ने चैन ने बिना सारे के बिना पकड़े
हाँ यूं तो खड़ी हो जाए यार
नहीं नू जो कुत्ती सीधी अरे नू खड़ी थी ये तो करके तो घड़ी बार खड़ी हुई घड़ी बार
तो थकी होगी बेचारी छोड़ो रहने दो मत करो थकी होगी बेचारी लेट हर बी शी मस्ट बी टायर्ड शी मस्ट बी स्टैंडिंग अप फॉर अ रियली लॉन्ग टाइम
standing हाँ
मेरे पीछे से लड़ते ना पड़ोगी तुम कदे एक दूसरे के बाल पाड़ दो
क्या लड़ाएंगे
एक हफ्ते तक देख ली मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया हूँ पीछे से तुमने ध्यान रखना है आई एम सेइंग नॉट टू फाइट विद ईच अदर You.
Who will fight with each other?
You too.
I only fight with you.
Why you only fight with me?
It's fun.
I don't know. I'm going for 1 week to Australia. Never know. Once I come back, you guys are, pulling on each other's hair.
You're funny.
And take good care of my daughter. Okay? Make sure do not feed her too much bread if she doesn't want to eat. Otherwise she will choke. Bread is anyhow dry.
If you want to eat, nobody can feed her.
Okay. पीछे ध्यान रखियो घना जबरदस्ती मत खवाइयो गली गुली में कुछ अटक जा कुछ हो जाए इस चीज का ध्यान रखियो या कई बार मुंह में चबाए रखा है चीजा ने लको ले है ब्रेड वगैरह ने खाती को ना ओके 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 नींद आ रही है इसको शी स्लीपी टेक हर ओके देन गाइस लव यू गाइस यू गाइस हैव फन।
एक किताब ने भी धर दूं।
तू तो किताब न धर ले, मैं यूं कहूँगा मैं बाय बाय करूँ, तू किताब न धरे जा।
बाय बाय कर ले।
ना 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 कोई ना, चल ठीक है, तू धरे जा। चलो ठीक है, बाय। ओके, मेरे को अपना नहा धो के फिर निकलना है, मेरी फ्लाइट है।
Good night.
गुड नाइट, गुड नाइट, बाय बाय, बाय बाय।
बाय।
Change your diet.